What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a full tear down of the CBR. We're going to start by removing the cage, and then I'm going to move on to removing the plastics. So yeah, as you guys know, I have stunt dreams. I want to build a stunt bike, and that's the reason why I bought this bike for. So I'm going to take the fairings off, taking the advice of a stunt rider, rookie rebel, and basically not damaging this while I'm practicing and getting good on wheelies. So let's get right into the video, y'all. There we go. Alrighty guys, got the cage teared down. We're gonna work on the fairings next. We'll do another video for that. Stay tuned.